This is the Infinity Mystery Button Box. Chris and Jeff are trapped inside and have no idea how far this box will go. There is only one button in each box that will let them into the next one. We'll see who escapes first. Jeffrey, press the first button.
All right, here we go, guys. Commence suffering. There's a door right here, so I think it'll open it.
Yeah, but what's on the other side?
Maybe there's freedom. Maybe there's more suffering.
Caramel apples.
Caramel apples? Are they gonna start yeeting caramel apples at me, dude?
Oh,
Ow! Ow, bro!
oh my gosh. Don't eat it. My turn.
Rubber duckies.
Rubber duckies. Jeff, press the next button. I want to get out of here.
I want a refund. Let's go with this one. Heck yes, is that door open?
Wait. What the?
Bro, I get to move on.
Dude, there's another box?
Oh no!
Jeff, there's another box after this.
It's poop themed, dude.
Wait, does that mean I'm stuck here until I hit the door open button?
Dude, this is not gonna be good.
So I guess this is kind of like a race to escape. Who knows how long ago this is? Jeffrey's beating me. Let's go with the green one.
Confetti.
Confetti. Whoa. Whoa.
So we got poop emojis, we got some poop on the floor, got some toilet magazines.
All right, well, I'm gonna press the next button. Hopefully I can get out too.
Hey Chris, I'm winning.
This one.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Oh, yeah, what's on the popcorn?
Chris is still suffering back in that box.
Why does it smell so weird?
Pressing my first poo-poo button. Here we go.
Kitty litter.
Oh no.
Yep.
Stop!
I can still see him.
Whoa, it's like a kitty litter waterfall!
Gee.
Oh, it's dusty. Ow! Here's the thing about kitty litter. It absorbs toxins.
All right, we need the next button.
In the spin wheel.
What the heck? I don't want to spin the spin wheel. Here we go.
What you gonna get?
Replenish.
What does that mean?
I'm a little bit nervous. I got a Gatorade.
Hey Chris, you're gonna replenish your electrolytes, bro.
Heck yeah.
That's great. Time to press my next poo-poo button, dude. Let's do this one.
Dirty underwear.
Haha.
Did someone pee-pee or poo-poo?
Oh, what the?
Oh!
Undies.
Oh no.
Ew.
Oh no! There's poop on it!
Move on to the next box.
Oh yes. Now I'm tied with Jeff. Woo.
Hi Chris.
Hey Jeff.
Welcome to the stinkiest box in America.
This looks so crazy, dude. There's like so many boxes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Chris, how many boxes until we're gonna get out?
I don't know.
Could this go on forever?
There's another door here. There's green back there.
What could that possibly mean? All right, pressing my next button.
Press it.
There we go.
Get flushed.
Get flushed?
Get flushed.
What's that? Can we not flush me down the toilet? No, it's probably water.
Jeff, you're getting a swirly, bro.
No! This is gonna bring nightmares back from high school. Oh, it's so cold. Oh no! Oh, no.
Dude, it's still going.
Oh.
I really don't want that
This
button.
brings flashbacks back to high school when they used to swirly me at recess.
Watch this.
Toilet paper.
Crap.
Hey Chris, now you get to wipe your butt.
Oh, I'm getting TP'd right now.
It could be worse,
Jeff,
bro.
I'm getting TP'd.
Well, you deserve it. All right, so this orange button right here fell off the wall. I'm gonna press it. No!
Hard ball.
No!
Yes.
I'm gonna make a little shield to cover it. Oh! Ah! Oh no, they threw another one in. No!
Oh.
I think something sprayed in my mouth when it popped.
Does it smell? Oh, I can smell it too. Get me out of here.
What'd that say?
Clogged pipes? Is that what that said?
Clogged pipes?
What does that
What does that mean?
What the crap is that, dude?
Dude, that looks so gross.
Gosh dang
It's chunky. Chris, you look like a poopy mess over there.
Look at my hair. Oh gosh.
Some buttons fell off. I don't know if the escape fell off, but
Send it.
maybe this is the one. This is the one.
Febreze.
Febreze?
Febreze.
Heck yeah, dude! Some Febreze to
It's gonna
clear the
make your box
stain.
smell so much better.
Yeah. It's invading my lungs.
I don't know if that's healthy.
Stop! It's so potent. Thank you, doctor.
Maybe this one?
Umbrella.
Yes, umbrella hat.
He got an umbrella hat.
That hit me right in the face.
Ew, dude, you got poop on your face.
Looks like I'm covered for future punishment.
All right, here we go, baby.
Elephant pee.
Elephant pee, what is that?
How did they get that?
I'm a man, I can handle it.
You're gonna be a man covered in elephant pee.
I'm gonna be a man about this. There's no screaming, no crying, no complaining. For the rest of the video, you got it? Oh! Whoa! 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 There's no screaming, no crying, no complaining. For the rest of the video, you got it?
My button just said poop, Jeffrey.
You get poop!
No! Ew, that feels so
Your umbrella hat is totally working.
Ew, it's dripping on my leg.
You just got pooped on.
Ew, look at this. Well, my umbrella hat is broken. Look at this wrap. No pun intended. There's only a few more buttons left.
All right, pressing the next button. Oh! Heck yes! Oh my gosh!
What?
There's only 2 buttons in this one.
Are you kidding me?
What does this mean?
What if that means that one button is really good and one button's really
I
bad?
guess we have a 50-50 chance to find out.
Well, it's my turn first.
Bro, look at this. I'm so glad down there. Dude, look at that. That's disgusting, bro.
Jeff, don't leave me, bro.
I'm out of here.
Urinal cakes.
Urinal cakes? Don't.
All right, guys, so we have a 50-50% chance. I must choose very, very wisely. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. My mother said.
The wise choice.
Oh!
You can go on to the next one.
Yes! It says a wise choice. You can go on to the next box.
Dude, Jeffrey is 2 boxes ahead
I'm
of me.
advancing to the finals. Oh my gosh, there's another box.
Don't leave me, bro.
Dude, this one looks like a prize box.
There's so many blue things over there.
There's a piñata and there's some presents. What the heck is this?
Jeffrey, you're so far away, bro. Come back.
I'm leaving you in the dust, boy.
Looks like it's just you and me, bro. This one's it.
Toilet.
Are you gonna throw an entire toilet? Yes, they are gonna throw an entire toilet. It's a baby toilet. I might actually be able to use this.
Okay, it's my turn again.
If he gets another open hatch, I'm gonna be triggered.
All right, here we go.
Open.
No way!
What the
I got
heck?
3 escape buttons in a row.
Dude, Jeffrey, I'm taking this plunger and I'm breaking out. There's another box.
How many more are there?
Wait for me, Jeff.
Dude, this is a TNT box.
Is there really another box, bro?
Dude, look at, there's TNT and hot sauce and like barrels of gunpowder.
I am so far behind right now.
Look how far down this goes.
Yes, finally! No. Yes. This is literally gnarly. Look at this, guys. This is so gnarly. This is the most intense mystery button box ever made.
Please, escape.
Paint explosion.
What'd it say?
Paint explosion?
Paint explosion.
Oh no!
Oh, that box sounds intense, bro.
Oh! Oh!
What?
Oh no!
Picked the wrong one.
He picked the wrong one!
No!
Yeah!
I have an idea. This will work. Oh!
Ew!
Oh, dude! This is literally the worst ever! This is worse than the poop box!
I can smell it from over here. That smells terrible. I'm going back to my explosion box.
Yes! I gotta move on.
Paintball grenade.
A paintball grenade? Shoot! What is that?
I can watch this time.
Whoa!
Oh! What the heck was that?
Bro! That thing exploded!
Jeff, you look gnarly, bro. This box looks fun and inviting, so I'm actually really happy to be here. Okay.
Walmart gift card.
Walmart gift card, heck yeah. 50 bucks is on this thing, heck yeah.
Congrats, bro!
I can still beat you, the comeback is real.
Also won a spicy hot wing.
Spicy hot wing? They're handing me something. What the heck? Hot wings? What the? I think I have to eat one in order to move on. Dude, that's hot. That's explosive for sure.
Moving on.
Outback gift card.
Heck yeah, I'm getting all the prizes. Outback Steakhouse.
Here we go.
Paintballs.
Paintballs? Wait, you're not gonna shoot me, are you? Oh no, they gave me a mask! Ah, oh, ow! Ow, dude, it's ricocheting and exploding on me! Ow! Ow! What the heck? Ow!
Jeff's getting lit up in there.
My mouth is on fire!
Poor Jeffrey. Ooh, a shower. Heck yes. Oh, okay.
Here we go. Eat a gummy bear? What the heck?
Is that the world's spiciest gummy bear?
Oh no.
What'd it say? What'd it say?
It's called Lil Nitro, world's spiciest gummy bear, dude. What the flip? All right, here we go. World's spiciest gummy bear.
Jeffrey. Oh my gosh. How spicy is it?
This is not good. Oh no! This is so hot! No. Ah! I think I spit and it got in my eye, dude. Frick, this is so hot!
Slice of cake. I don't know.
My mouth is freaking drooling uncontrollably. Oh, I gotta escape. This is too hot. This is too hot.
Is he okay?
Ow!
Jeff, you did it!
Oh, it's so hot! Oh!
No, that means I lose.
The outro whenever you're ready.
This is too hot. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did it and this sucks. Click here for the previous one. Click here for the video YouTube recommends. Click the no subscribe. Let's see you later.